In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace your trunk latch on a Chevy Malibu located in the trunk. Once you lift your trunk up, you'll see the latch right here, and all the mechanism is underneath this little protective skirting. So we're going to remove that plastic covering first. Just grab it firmly and pull back and forth. It's got two little tabs in there, and just set it aside. Next, we're going to take off our plastic push pins. There are 9 plastic push pins, so I could start in the center, then move to the right, and it's the same on the left. So with a trim tool, get underneath there, it's like a little fork design, pull that plastic tab up. You can use a pair of needle nose pliers too if you need them. Here's one. Just work your way right around. And now we have 4 more to the left, so just continue on over here. Now we have the last one here. I found the most success, believe it or not, with my needle nose pliers, and I think it's because of the length of these plastic tabs. And then the skirt will come right down. So here's the latch now, it's all exposed. There's 2 mounting screws, one here and one right there, and they're a T torque, so it's a T30, and it's torque style. So I'm going to take that right down, and then we'll disconnect everything. Second one. So I noticed that if you just grab it and give it a tap, it'll take those little metal hooks right out of those squares. Now we have it down. We could take this electrical tab off, squeeze on that little tab right there, and pull. Maybe take a pocket screwdriver. Now we have easy access to where that cable goes in. So you have 2 tabs here, one there and one there. I'm just going to push them down in. And then push this door back, just like that. This automatically wants to come out, so it sits right in like that. So you're going to pop it out of the horseshoe marking, turn it sideways, and out it comes. You're going to grab your new latch, and you're going to do the same to the cover. Push those tabs down, slide the door. So before I put that cable back on the new piece, I'm going to put some silicone paste in that guide where it sits, just to keep it from plastic on plastic. And now this is a release cable, so it's going to go from the top down, feel that little notch go in there, and then turn it. And then it fits right in there like that, snaps into place. Then you get the door, and the door goes back in this groove. There we go. It slides and locks, just like that. So now before I hook these hooks into that spot, I'm going to take the electrical connector and I'm going to line it up, snap it in. And now I'm going to take these hooks and put them right in place. See how I did that? I pushed it in and slid it over to the right. Take my T30, my 2 mounting screws, set them up. There's no alignment on this latch. It's straight locked into place. Now with your torque wrench, you're going to torque the T30 mounting bolts to 9 foot-pounds. Now we're going to take our trunk skirt and bring it back up. Now make sure you grab that latch cable. That's the release, the manual release for that latch. And each one bring it over the latch, and then follow this insulation skirt right there. Make sure it goes over the trunk arm. It's got a little cutout, fits perfectly. Now we can get our push pins and start installing them. Line them up, push them right back in. Do the center one and then continue over. Cover protects that latch. You want it at that angle, slide it right over and it will click right into place. Make sure the latch locks, bring it down. Then try your remote and it releases. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.